If you're planning to attend the 2023 Automotive Testing Expo, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From October 24th through the 26th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during Auto Testing Expos exhibit hall hours at the Suburban Collection Showplace in Novi, Michigan. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at the Automotive Testing Expo why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by technicians and engineers throughout the automotive and manufacturing industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.